Drink this before going to bed, and burn fat like crazy. Wake up, look at the results. It's amazing. Detoxification is of great importance to our entire body because it cleans out all the toxins that can be found in the body as well as reduce excess waste. If you have excess fat in your belly, this means that your system is fighting diabetes, hypertension or any type of heart disease. In a recent study of public health in England found that the first sign of type 2 diabetes is excess fat around the belly. So, if you want to take the first step in reducing abdominal fat, then you should start by exercising regularly and having proper nutrition. Therefore, you should definitely make this natural drink, whose ingredients and how to prepare are later. It will nourish your body, improve your immune system, accelerate your metabolism and most importantly, eliminate belly fat. First of all, I wanted to comment on the properties of parsley. Among these medicinal uses we can find it as a natural treatment to cleanse the kidneys, since this plant has great diuretic properties, which stimulate the renal function, allowing in this way to facilitate the elimination of liquid of the organism. It is also widely used to treat and improve hypertension and osteoporosis. Parsley contains minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus and sulfur. Because of its high iron content, its consumption is recommended for people who suffer from or are prone to anemia and/or anorexia, and also those who suffer from weakness, fatigue or physical tiredness. Parsley can be eaten raw in salads, or drink in infusions. All you need is 100 grams of whole 1 lemon, a bouquet of parsley, 1 tablespoon of striped ginger, 1/3 cup water. All you have to do is place all the ingredients together in a blender and mix them well. Take the drink every night before going to bed and the results will be visible very soon.